Best software for game user interface design. The choice of software for game UI design depends on various factors like the complexity of the project, your skill level, and the specific needs of your game. Here's a breakdown of some popular options. Core design software, Adobe Photoshop, indispensable for creating and editing high-resolution graphics, icons, and textures. Adobe Illustrator, ideal for vector graphics, creating scalable elements, and designing consistent art styles. Figma, Sketch, or Adobe XD, excellent for wireframing, prototyping, and collaborating with teams. They offer interactive features to simulate user flows. Game engine integration. Unity, a powerful game engine with built-in UI tools for creating interactive elements, animations, and user experiences. Unreal Engine, another robust game engine with advanced UI capabilities, including blueprint visual scripting for rapid prototyping. Additional tools. Blender, free and open source software with 3D modeling, animation, and UI creation capabilities. After Effects, for creating complex animations and visual effects that can be integrated into the UI. Specific use cases, low-fidelity prototyping. Tools like Balsamiq or even pen and paper can be used for quick and rough sketches. High-fidelity prototyping. Figma, Sketch, or Adobe XD are great for creating detailed, interactive prototypes. UI development. Unity or Unreal Engine are essential for integrating UI elements into the game engine. UI animations. After Effects or the animation tools within Unity or Unreal Engine can be used to create dynamic UI effects. Considerations. When choosing software project complexity, for simple games, basic tools might suffice, while complex games may require more advanced software. Team collaboration. Consider software that supports teamwork and version control. Budget. Some software options are free, while others require a subscription. Learning curve. Factor in the time it takes to learn the software. Integration with other tools. Ensure compatibility with your existing workflow and tools. Ultimately, the best software is the one that allows you to efficiently create the desired UI while fitting within your project constraints.